Today, we will show you how to customize the data fields on your Venu Sq or Venu Sq Music Edition. To customize the data screens on your watch, begin by pressing the Start button. Touch the activity profile that you would like to customize. For this video, we will use the Run profile. Swipe up to access the Activity Profile menu. Touch Settings. Then touch Data Screens. Touch the data screen you would like to customize. You can customize the layout of the data screen. To do this, touch Layout. Swipe up or down to increase or decrease the number of data fields displayed on this screen. You can show up to 3 data fields on a screen. Tap the screen to confirm your selection. After you have chosen a layout, touch Edit Data Fields. Touch a data field that you would like to change. You will see a list of categories to choose from. Choose a category and then select the data you want to see on the screen. Continue this process until you're done customizing the data fields on this screen. Press the Start button to confirm your changes. Once your data fields are perfect, press the back button 3 times to get back to the Activity Profile screen. You are now ready to start your activity. And that's it! You can now change the data screens on your Venu Sq. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.